We've just acquired this Vauxhall Mokka 1.4 turbo Elite being top of the range with the satellite navigation, the full leather. You've got front and rear park distance control. It's finished in stunning gleaming black. Boot area hasn't been used and abused. Drives lovely. Full leather interior with the seats. Cruise control. Satellite navigation. Climate control. Heated seats. 35,355 miles. 6-speed gearbox. Did I say heated seats? I'll say it again. Bluetooth connectivity as well. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.